In today's video, we will try to make purchase vouchers with GST in our company. For this, we will take intrastate purchase, which means we purchase a item from our own state, from a dealer who is in our own state. For this, I already made a company and put all these GST details and our stock item and etc. I made this all, so you can check how to make this all in our last videos. Now we will make purchase voucher entry. For this, come here, get web tally, then go with vouchers. You can select purchase from here or press F9 for selecting purchase. Then if you have any supplier invoice number, you can put it here. I want to put the date 01. I want to put the date 01/06/2024. Zero 2024, because it is on educational mode, the date is not taken, so I change the date for learning purpose. So party account, I already create a party account which is SC, so I'll select SC. Any receipt note if you have, then you can put all the details here, or otherwise just press enter and go. Then purchase ledger will be the purchase. Name of item, for seeing the name of item, press spacebar. I want to buy 1 plus tab, so select 1 plus tab. I want to buy 5. The rate is automatically calculated, which is 15,000. Now I will calculate the GST. For this, press enter and press spacebar, then select CGST. The GST is already calculated because I already put the GST details here and already put the GST percentage. You can also put this, you can learn it from our last video. And then I want to put another GST, which is SGST, because we purchase in our own state, purchase from our own state, so we have to pay CGST and SGST. So press SGST. The GST was already calculated. Provide GST or EOA bill details, yes. If you have any dispatch from details, you can put it here. I will put it here. Shift to, I will put on another details, and I don't want to put anything else, so I'll just press enter. New replace, I want to put it on, press enter, keep press enter. If you want to put narration, put it here, or otherwise press enter and accept yes. You can check it here. Come here, get web tally, then go with display mode reports, then go with GST reports, then go with GSTR 2A reconciliation. Here you can see uncertain channel. Here you can see all these details. The name is SC, the purchase voucher, the voucher number is 1, total amount is 88,500. I don't put any invoice number, so it is incorrect or not specified showing here. You can put or enter purchase voucher entry of intrastate transaction as this, and you can learn how to put, how I calculated CGST, SGST and all these things in our last videos. Thank you for watching.